In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to take a simple workflow in ClickUp and turn it into a reusable template, so you don't have to rebuild the same setup every time. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your account and have access to the workspace where you want this to live. Begin by opening ClickUp and heading straight to your inbox. The inbox is a great place to see what's happening across your work, and it's often where your preferred filters, sorting, and layout really matter. Once you're there, switch the view to Show All Tasks. This ensures you're looking at the complete picture rather than just items assigned to you or filtered by a specific status. It's helpful because the template you create will mirror the setup you're seeing right now. With the All Tasks view open, look for the three-dot menu, usually found in the upper right of the view area. Click that menu to reveal more options. From this menu, choose Save as Template. This tells ClickUp to capture your current configuration, including the way your tasks are displayed and filtered, so you can quickly apply it again later. A template window will appear. Click into the Template Name field. This is where you give your template a clear, memorable name. Consider using a simple naming convention, like including the team or purpose in the title, so it's easy to find later. For example, you might include words like Inbox, All Tasks, or the process it supports. If there's a description field available, a short note about when to use the template can save your team time, but the name is the most important part. Next, choose who can use this template. Click the sharing option labeled Everyone if you want your entire workspace to access it. If your process is still being tested or is specific to a small group, you can limit access based on your permissions. Think about who will benefit from this setup and select accordingly. You can always update this later if your needs change. When everything looks good, click Save Template. ClickUp will confirm the save, and your new template will be available whenever you need to recreate this exact setup. That's it. Your streamlined view is now just a couple of clicks away the next time you want to use it. If you plan to build more templates, repeat these steps whenever you refine your view. Clear names and sensible sharing choices will keep your library organized and useful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with reusable templates in ClickUp.